Want to deliver high-quality products faster this year? Measure your progress? Prove your program's worth to leadership? Yeah, we've got a plan for that. Let's dive into how to tackle your Build Better blueprint. Step 1. Download or print off your blueprint. Or you could strengthen some underutilized neural pathways and copy it by hand. Your choice. Step 2. High-level planning. Hop in that helicopter or starship, depends on your budget, and establish those high-level priorities for your year. We're talking big picture stuff. Workforce transformation, gaining market share, going cloud native, etc. Step 3. Detailed goal setting. Grab your parachute, leap from the helicopter, and get in the weeds of setting detailed goals for reaching your priorities. Maybe this involves aligning skills to market demand, attracting and retaining better talent, onboarding engineers faster, etc. again. Step 4. Annual goal setting pre-work. We know it's a mouthful, but this is where you identify where you are and where you want to go by the end of the year. Nail down your challenges, success criteria, deadlines, and more. Step 5. Quarterly goal setting pre-work. Like the last one, but more time-bound, aligned with those annual priorities. We prefer measuring quarterly because it helps keep things on track and makes it easier to spot problems quickly. Step 6. Quarterly check-ins. Like quarterly one-on-ones with your boss, but with less pressure. Track progress towards your goals. Doesn't it feel good to check items off your list? Revel in it. Step 7. Execute. Press start. Punch it, make your dreams come true, go tackle a new year and start building better. A better year is waiting. Download your blueprint and get started.